Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will going to show you how to fix the issue where WhatsApp keeps logging out automatically. At first, open your phone settings. From there, tap on the application or app option. Scroll through the list, find WhatsApp and open it. Now tap on Storage and Storage Uses. Here, simply press Clear Cache. Next, go back and open the permission option. Make sure all essential permissions are turned on. After that, open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for WhatsApp, and if an update is available, install the latest version. Update unusually fix bug and improve performance. Now restart your phone. After your device turn on, open WhatsApp again and sign in if needed. Your account should now run smoothly without logging out automatically. So, thanks for watching.